What exactly is artificial intelligence, or AI? At its core, AI refers to machines designed to simulate human intelligence. This includes learning, problem solving, and decision making. It's a field rapidly transforming our world. AI is no longer just a concept from science fiction, it's integrated into our daily lives. From the recommendations you receive online to the voice assistants on your phone, AI is already at work. Understanding its impact is crucial for every student. AI excels at automating repetitive and time-consuming tasks. This frees up human workers to focus on more complex and creative endeavors. Industries from manufacturing to customer service are seeing significant productivity gains. Consider data processing. AI can analyze vast datasets far quicker than any human. This speed leads to faster insights and more informed decisions. It streamlines operations across countless sectors. AI systems can identify patterns and correlations in data that might be invisible to humans. This capability is crucial for scientific research and complex problem solving. It drives breakthroughs in medicine, climate science, and beyond. Predictive analytics powered by AI helps anticipate future trends and risks. This allows for proactive planning in areas like finance, logistics, and disaster management. It makes systems more robust and responsive. AI can tailor experiences to individual needs, from personalized learning platforms to customized healthcare plans. This adaptability makes services more effective and user-friendly. It enhances engagement and outcomes. For students, AI tutors can provide targeted support, adapting to learning styles and paces. This democratizes access to quality education. It ensures that learning is more inclusive and effective for everyone. AI is a powerful tool for scientific discovery and technological advancement. It accelerates research cycles by simulating experiments and analyzing results. This pushes the boundaries of what's possible. New AI models are constantly emerging, leading to innovations in robotics, autonomous systems, and more. It fosters an environment of continuous technological evolution. This fuels economic growth and societal progress. One significant concern is the potential for AI to automate jobs currently performed by humans. Roles involving repetitive tasks are particularly vulnerable. This could lead to widespread unemployment in certain sectors. Societies must prepare for this shift by investing in retraining programs and new educational pathways. The goal is to equip the workforce with skills that complement AI rather than compete with it. This requires foresight and adaptability. AI systems learn from the data they are fed. If this data contains biases, the AI will perpetuate and even amplify those biases. This can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes in areas like hiring or loan applications. Ensuring fairness and transparency in AI development is paramount. Developers must actively work to identify and mitigate biases in their algorithms. Ethical guidelines are essential for responsible AI deployment. As AI becomes more integrated, there's a risk of over-reliance on these systems. If AI fails or is compromised, critical infrastructure and services could be severely disrupted. Human oversight remains vital. Developing critical thinking skills is more important than ever. We must understand AI's limitations and not blindly trust its outputs. A balanced approach ensures resilience and accountability. The power of AI also presents significant security challenges. Malicious actors could exploit AI for cyber attacks, surveillance, or spreading misinformation. Protecting AI systems from compromise is a growing concern. The potential for AI to be used for harmful purposes, such as autonomous weapons, raises serious ethical dilemmas. International cooperation is needed to establish norms and regulations. This ensures AI is used for good. Developing and deploying advanced AI systems can be incredibly expensive. This high cost could create a divide between those who can afford AI technologies and those who cannot. It risks exacerbating existing inequalities. Ensuring equitable access to AI's benefits is a global challenge. Policies are needed to promote widespread adoption and prevent a technological elite. AI should serve all of humanity, not just a privileged few. Artificial intelligence offers immense potential to solve complex problems and improve lives. Its ability to enhance efficiency, personalize experiences, and drive innovation is undeniable. We are on the cusp of a new era. However, we must also confront its challenges head-on. Addressing job displacement, ethical biases, security risks, and accessibility issues requires careful planning and collaboration. The future of AI depends on our collective choices. As students, you are the architects of this future. Understanding AI's pros and cons empowers you to contribute to its responsible development. Your insights will shape how AI benefits society for generations to come.